I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. And when I was a financial advisor, I used to help people buy good companies, good substantial companies that will give them returns over the years. But I've learned if you really want to make money in the stock market, it's not about buying good companies. It's about buying undervalued companies, companies who are finding a growth opportunity. They're increasing their revenues, and as their revenues increase, their earnings increase, and their margins increase, and they become more efficient at what they're doing, and they build a financially healthy company. That was hard to do because in order to find an undervalued company, you have to have access to their books. You have to recognize what they're doing and how they're doing it and how they're building on a growth opportunity. Goldman Sachs taught me that. And again, it was difficult to take advantage of until AI became available. And I built an AI agent. I call her Samantha. And I ask her to go in with guidance from me on a 4-page prompt of what a growth company looks like and give me projections based on past performance, what their price is going to be in the coming years. And that's what we've been doing over the last year, and it's working out pretty damn good for us. So I'd like to share that with you. I think as a financial advisor, I basically wanted to keep people financially healthy so that they could live out their retirement and have a good life. What I've learned now is with AI, I can help people become wealthy. And what I mean by wealthy, they build enough assets that they can make a difference in their children's life, their grandchildren's life, because they understand how business works. And you don't make money by buying good companies. You make money by buying undervalued companies. Come to my website. It's Best of Us Investors. We've built a tribe, a group of people who with like-minded interests of becoming wealthy for the benefit of their families. And we work together. We crowdfund it. I'll explain that to you when you come to the website. Click the link in the description. It's going to take you to a landing page. There I'll share with you the performance that we've had in the past. I'll share with you some of the comments of some of our tribe members and then give you an inside look of how to make wealth in the stock market.